Fat punani pretty like a shanty, and every man a try get around to the panty.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Chip, Stefflon, Alkaline and Red Rat. Them they on one track and the track shot. You know what I mean? And people, guess what we are gonna do? We are gonna review it. We are gonna review My Girl. No, not My Girl. But the song entitled My Girl. Stay tuned.
You may say you know the key attack and you catch your prey. Make sure you subscribe to Chaddy TV. Comment, like and share. You know, so if you click the notification bell because it's right there. I'm out.
So people, the Vendetta fan them been a wait for this song. Them been a wait for that video here. You see me? And in my opinion, me no feel like say them wait in vain. People, the song is a well put together song. Well, you don't know that's something there already because it's the remix version. But them could think about a better artist than to put Alkaline and Stefflon, the hottest female we are born up UK right now and the world, if me not lie. You see me? So you don't know, say that's it right there. And people, me no know, but yo, you see the video, it clean like wow. It look like say I want a Hollywood camera, them borrow for a minute and say yo, them a go shoot it. I wanna the first music video me ever see we clean so. But then, as well me say, you can't expect nothing less, you know, because we are talking about Chip. You see me? And we are talking about dancehall superstar Alkaline and UK superstar, UK hottest thing right now. Check the charts. You see me? Stefflon. So make we take a little bit more look on the music video. You see me?
The girl them want party, so you know me have to start it. Champagne she a sip it.
The girl them want
Stefflon, Alkaline, Red Rat and Chip it. Oh no!
So in case you never know, a Fanatics produce it. You see me? And we are talking about one of the hottest young urban producer right now from out of UK. You see me? Check the charts again. Them produce that song they name Just Touch Down in the airport. You see me? We can't sing it still. But them response for that something here. And you see right now you notice how that shot and you notice how that I take the place by storm. You see me? And as well me say it's a underground, it's a little urban. Them forward with some little new style producing things where them are deal with. But it a work. And right now, in that song, I remember say that song I did done a burn up the road already, you know. You see me? But me feel like say Chip did want to take that song to another level. You see it? Him they want it, you see, because the rhythm sound dancehall one way. Me feel like say him want a dancehall flavor. And I think say this is the best choice because watch the pre now. You have Alkaline, where the hottest thing right now in a Jamaica. Zine, and then you have Red Rat. Back in the day, it was the hottest thing. Oh no, me would ashamed. Me and you a friend, but trust me the win. Yeah man, I him response for that style of DJ there. I him response for that song there. You see me? And as what me say, you have the hottest girl in a UK. So you call that it.
You want fuck, but me no want fuck. Me want money in a pocket to run me head wild. But me woulda never take, but if you stack for a business class flight straight to Dubai. This pussy have a quint pandic, but stepping on no man so the pussy get.
Yes, he said Chaddy and a liar do. Yes, he said Stefflon bad. Yes, he said me no really tell lie on today when. Me no tell lie on Monday. I be a fox, me talk on them there. If it was another day, probably I would have lied me I tell. People are joke me a vex still. But tell me what you think about the song. You see me? Me not gonna really do a in-depth review like how we normally go bar by bar, line by line, and all these things. You see me? So you just tell me what you think about the song. So me I gonna make you hear the Vendetta boss right now.
Fat punani pretty like a shanty, and every man a try get around to the panty. Panky, the sister, the auntie. Come in no prejudice, me love a girl fan she ranchy.
You hear that, ladies? Vendetta boss say him no prejudice. So you see from your ranchy, you see from your bad girl, you see me, you see from probably a freaky. You can go so booms and go page him. You see it? Me no know, probably something can go on for you. But people differently still. Yo, the dog a spit. You notice what me like with them bar there. And where me see Alkaline do in that song, him step up to the plate. You see me? Alright. Them say them want somebody we are represent for Jamaica. Zine, and them look around and them say, you know, say Alkaline is the man. And them say, alright, Alkaline. But guess what? Him don't disappoint. Him don't disappoint Chip them and I say, yo, John was star, me sorry say. Me never chose somebody else for that feature, yeah. You go low. Alkaline step up to the plate, you see me?
Round up, call your pro once to mat like a yo. Make you drink and go up to a big people though. When I look no wife, can I look no boy? Make you drink and go up to a big people though. From me see you, me know you have a good on. And my young, you walk and you wear your wrong.
Alkaline, one thing me I wonder still in the dark. In that little part there, oh, you long up your mouth so like you're a killer. Right now, you know say when killer see that video, I will get cross, angry, miserable. You see me? But people differently still, that's the end of my review. You see me? So more want to run go over Chip page. You see me? Run go over Chip Vivo and just amateur fuck. Me I go put the link in the description. Make it easier for everybody. Make it easier for my subscriber them. So look in the description. Me I go put the link and you just click it. One click away. You see me? And you reach right over there and just play the song, play the music video. You see me? So it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. You see me? And tell me in the comment section if you like this song. Tell me in the comment section if you feel say the video bad or you feel say the video foolish and every single thing when me talk. I lie me I tell. Because I know only Monday me don't tell lie and me tell lie every day. Me no know. Only tell me in the comment section, you see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
We get that body there that me gone. Look like you know if you angle the pole. You see yo. My girl, how you feel you can? Oh, you full of tricks up, large and play. Body set right, no wrong bang, position.